Hi everyone, I just wanted to tell you about these Gorilla Grip couch cushion supports. So if you've owned a couch for a long time, you know that they kind of get a little bit saggy once you have used them for a long time. My husband is definitely a bigger guy and every spot that he sits in is his spot and it totally dips in. So this is like the best solution. You don't have to buy a new couch. You can just completely fix that kind of dip in the couch or the sagginess. And this is what they look like. They're actually made of plywood. So this on the inside is plywood and it is going to support it. You just lay it across underneath the cushions. Super strong. This is 22 inches by 70 inches. So this will fit a large or a small love seat or a larger love seat or a small sofa, but so durable. You don't have to replace your couch. If you are looking for a quick fix that is absolutely going to make a huge difference, I would definitely look into this one.